Hello, today I will show you how to make a French press. So what you need is one of these French presses and coffees. These can be any blended coffees with your choice. I choose the Starbucks one. Second one is water, and the third one is the milk we have. We're gonna get this one afterwards. First, what we need is put little bit of these. That depends how many people we're gonna drink. For example, if it is 2 people we're gonna drink, you're gonna put 2. If 3 people we're gonna drink, they're gonna drink 4 2 water of cups. So I'm gonna put 1 because I'm the one only gonna drink, and we have extra 1. I'm gonna put water in this one. So when you're gonna make it, make sure the water is hot. If it is cold water, it will be not gonna be good. So we're gonna put it, and it is good. And this is the fourth step. The fourth step is put the press inside and wait a little bit. Wait 2 or 3 seconds. So we're gonna come back to this later. If you want with the milk, so this is my favorite. So this is a milk foam maker. So this is for my choice. If you want milky or sugary, you can put it. So this is the milk I will put a little bit of milk. Then I will gonna press it until the foam is came. So while this making, so it looks like it's already done. Let's pour it. It is actually looks good. Then our milk is done. What I will gonna do now, I'm gonna put this inside. Now this looks nice. Now you can enjoy. You can put sugar, extra milk, whatever you want. I will try it now. It's tasty. So that was it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down if you like it. Make sure how is your experience with French press. Thank you very much, and bye.